drive into the Esso sign, you know for sure that the service is fine. The Esso train dealer that you will see there is an expert in finest car care. He checks your gasoline and your oil. From your windshield he wipes away all the soil. And your radiator he'll check and refill. Esso service comes with a will. The product he uses to service your car, they're the Esso name that is known near and far. You are sure whenever you go for a drive that your automobile is alive. Drive right away to the Esso sign. Give your neighborhood Esso and time to shine. You'll smile as you drive on your way and you'll sing. That's the sign of happy motoring.
Always look to Imperial for the best.